Red Magic actually put liquid cooling into a tablet. Everyone, we just received the unreleased Red Magic gaming tablet, the 50O. Personally, I have very high expectations for Red Magic making a gaming tablet. You can tell from the packaging, it is clearly a small tablet. It is not big. Let us open it. Boom. See, I told you the size is not big. Whoa!
It really looks cool. Is this color also called Blade Transparent Silver Wing?
How is it? Guys, take a moment to admire this design first, then let's look at the accessories under the box. Oh, a red data cable, 100 watts. This should be the warranty card and manual. The star of the show arrives. Next, let's look at the tablet itself. We mainly call this color Blade Transparent Silver Wing. I knew this color without even looking at the packaging. And how to describe this Red Magic silver. It's exactly what you imagine silver to be. This tablet features a unibody design. Let me use my palm to show you the scale. It is quite compact, as you would expect from a gaming-focused tablet. A distinctive feature is the top section with this transparent ID design, which was also present in the previous generation. However, they have introduced something new this time. What is different? Look at the Red Magic logo here and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 here. Wait, aren't we not supposed to talk about performance yet? Well, it printed it itself, so that doesn't count as me saying it. And this part here, oh, liquid cooling. Besides the liquid cooling, they obviously have lights, because as we know, lights boost performance significantly. Here is the camera, and here is the flash. Let's move to a dark environment and film a quick demo so you can get a feel for it. I honestly think this Red Magic tablet deserves a very high score for the aesthetics of its back panel. You can see the thickness of the device from the side. Here are the volume buttons and the power switch. Now, the top has the Type-C port. Nothing much to say there. Well, the main point is, let me cover this up. They added something different on the side, but they won't let me show it. Now, feel free to guess. Use your imagination to think what else could be on the side of the frame. Never has to do with gaming tablets. Moving to the front, first, let's look at the overall screen-to-body ratio. Second, they said they could use some photos to show off their tablet's excellent screen. You can tell they are very confident. But there is one point about the front I really want to mention. Get a bit closer and you can see the front camera. Wow, they really made it tiny to keep the bezels narrow. I have to say, this little tablet is quite interesting.
Regarding this brand new gaming tablet, what aspects would you like to know more about? Feel free to leave a comment below and we will discuss them in detail later. Bye for now.